Hello everyone, did you know that the easiest part of maintaining your motorcycle can be done at your home and by yourself only? It's a hardly 15-minute job. It's about cleaning and lubing your motorcycle chain. Well, we are here today to help you out on how to do the same. To do this, all you need are three basic things: a chain cleaner, a chain lube, and a motorcycle chain brush. The first step is to suspend your rear tire in the air. This can be done using a paddock stand, a center stand. In case your bike doesn't have one, you can use a paddock stand or a jack. Or you can also ask your friend to help you out with the same. Wash your chain with water to get off as much dirt as possible. Open chains are magnets to dirt because of their oily surfaces. The water will also ensure that all the extra remaining sludge get loosened up. The second step is to now start using a chain cleaner to do a more thorough cleansing of the chain. Make sure to rotate the wheel while you're cleaning the chain so that the chain cleaner reaches every single link of the chain. Once the chain cleaner has been applied, give it a few minutes to soak in. Once that is done, use a chain brush to give a thorough cleaning. Make sure that in the end the chain has lost all its sludgy black color. Last step is to use the chain lube. Use the nozzle provided and make sure that it reaches all the links of the chain properly. Ensure to use the spray in short bursts. What you can do is, when you're cleaning or lubing the chain, you can put the bike in first gear. Since the rear tire is suspended, the chain moves automatically and the process becomes easier for you. A handy tip is to hold a piece of cardboard behind the chain to ensure that the overspray remains in control. Well, I hope this video helps. Cheers.